Hi, I'm Daniel from ProAV Solutions. Today I'm joining you from our showroom and I'm here to take you through the new UNV Technologies or UNV Power Station. This is their E2000 model, which stands for a 2000 watt of rated power as an output, and it's built up of 1872 watt hours of batteries inside of it. So in recent years we've seen a number of these portable power devices come out to market, and yeah, there's good reason why. In the film space, they're great for powering really hungry devices without the need for a generator. So this thing is pretty much almost silent. So yeah, your soundy's going to love you on set instead of cranking up the little Jenny. As well as yeah, if you're doing any live work, same sort of thing. You're not having to worry about that sound output and run the generator 50 meters down the road in a really long extension cord. So let's turn this unit on. And so at the moment we have 84% battery indicated here, and because we're not drawing any of the output, we have 99 hours of remaining battery life. As you'll see along the front here, we've got a few different outputs available to us. We've got 4 USB-A ports, we have 2 USB-C ports. The USB-A ports are limited at 18 watts. The USB-C ports are limited at 100 watts, which is enough to power a laptop or pretty much any USB-C device on the market these days. And then we'll see that we have some 12-volt outputs or DC outputs, not overly relevant to us in the film industry or as much. But if you are taking it away camping or yeah, trying to power a 12-volt device, yeah, really handy little tool for a regulated output. What we're really interested in are these AC outputs here. We've got 4 of those available to us. At the moment I've just got a single plug going into it. Each of these outputs are able to be turned on and isolated. So when I turn this on, I've got a 300 watt light connected to this. I'll turn this on and we'll see our output watt hours are about to climb up, and that is because when that 300 watt light kicks in, we're now drawing 300 watts. We're going to get 4 hours of remaining battery on the unit, and then if I turn down the intensity of that light, that output would drop. A couple of really good strong handles on the unit. The unit is 22.5 kilos, about the same weight as running around with a generator, but not having to deal with the sound or the petrol. Being able to run this inside are all major benefits of running a battery-powered power station. A couple of neat things about this device that not all of the other brands do is you can run this as a UPS or as an uninterrupted power supply. So you connect that into mains over here, and what that means is in the event there is a power cut on set, you can have, let's say, your data wrangling set up, and we'll have a laptop and a RAID, and you're being able to be copying away, and then the power cuts out, and then it'll kick in within, the battery outlet will kick in within 30 milliseconds, meaning that there will be pretty much no interruption in that power signal, and you'll be able to continually copying to your RAID mid-card, and yeah, no problems whatsoever there. Still worth checking your data just to make sure, but yeah, that 30 milliseconds is enough to allow pretty much a seamless transition. Small caveat for that, when you are running this in a UPS mode, it is limited to a 1500 watt output. But yeah, very few data wrangling systems are going to draw that. To charge this up from flat, you've got a couple of different charging cycles. Charges in via an IEC socket on the side. Those 2 charging cycles are either a slow charge, which takes about 4 hours from flat to full when plugged into a regular mains outlet, or 90-minute for their fast charge, and yeah, there's a little toggle switch on the side to just allow you to toggle between those 2 different modes. You get about 4,000 charge cycles out of the unit, meaning that you can charge this up from flat 4,000 times before the batteries are seriously degraded and you would need to consider replacing them. That's a pretty good performance out of any battery, much better than a phone or a laptop would ever rate. Other neat benefits of it, in the event of a power cut at your house, you can run all your lights off of it, or you can run your fridge for a reasonable period of time, or you can take it camping or away. Yeah, really versatile, but yeah, we've just been testing it from a film and television capacity. And yeah, that's about it. They are $2,399 Australian, and they are in stock now. Thanks for joining me, and any questions, reach out in the comments or give us a call. Thank you.